It's 94 today. Got a box of 2021-22 Upper Deck Ice. This is a product I thought was going to be so good when Upper Deck first announced it, because it comes with the 2021 bonus pack. So I thought it was going to be really good. And then Ice Premier's Parallels became a thing, and not so good anymore. But let's get into this anyway. This stuff's dropped in price quite a bit since it was first released, but I still think it's a decent product. So it's not as what the heck? It's not as good as it could have been, but it's not horrendous. Not as bad as it some people make it out to be. So let's begin. I think it's one hits or one exquisite card per box, if I'm not mistaken. So let us begin. Base. Tomasino. Green. Base rookie. Is Sub-Zero. Mark Scheifele. And a Holtz base rookie. And this pack is super fat. I wonder what could be in here. Is it a decoy? Yep. Super fat decoy. Fox, Kachuk, Giordano, Sam Reinhart green, Prosvetov base rookie, Tice Thompson Sub-Zero rookie out of 9.99. First Ice Premier is a Cole Lind green. These do have that the greens have the cracked ice look. I think there are the other parallels have other patterns. But yeah, that sucks. The Ice Premier's Parallels just waters it down so much. Then Alexi Protas, green. Jake Neighbors, rookie. Day Crystals of Carter Verhaeghe. Those are cool. Another super fat pack. Another decoy. Maybe. No. Oh, you know what? That's an update auto. I wonder who's an update auto in here. Is it Fox? Base. Josh Bailey. I think this is 2018-19. Cider base rookie. And, it's not Adam Fox. It's Max Jones. And of 199. With a fairly beat up corner. Ooh. Splitting, not good. But 43 of 199. Max Jones update auto. Not ideal. But there could be better in here. We'll see. That could be good. That's the base Ice Premier. Jason Robertson, Quinn Hughes, Casey Middlestad, Kopitar, green Beret Boulet rookie. And if it's a 99, it's still good. And Tice Thompson is more than likely not a 99. He's a 999, 619 out of 999. So had Ice Premiers not been watered down with all of the parallels, this would have been such a better product. But yeah, the new parallels, which have never been a thing with Ice, that kind of killed it. And green of Nils Lundqvist. Yeah, it's not one to focus. Jeremy Swayman, Crystals rookies, and then Matthias Samuelsson. Base rookie. Dano green. Mario Ferraro orange, and a Garrett Pilon base rookie. Base. McKinnon green. There's so many of these parallels. Lafreniere. orange, and a radish base rookie. Another thick pack. Can we get another exquisite, please? It's not looking like it. Decoy's a little yellow. Wade Allison. A Seth Jarvis, one of these shrines. They're cool looking cards. Not autographed, unfortunately, but they're weird, but kind of cool looking. Janasenko rookie. Another thick pack. Hopefully that's a sign of things to come. Good sign. Still have the bonus pack as well. Mantha, green, Wade Allison, orange rookie, and a Sillinger. And this last pack here is thick too. Interesting. There's a whole lot of thick packs for ice. This doesn't look like it's anything. Hellebuck green, Decoy, Kupari, Ice Premiers, Tarmo Runen in red out of $3.99. Kalan Exquisite. A good one. Nope. But there is a jersey card in here. A chicken green, Thompson, Crystals, Byfield, base rookie, and a Sampo Ranta jersey card. I don't think these are numbered. They are not. Now let's get on to the 2020-21 Ice Bonus Pack. I thought this would have been such a good product because I didn't expect the Premier's Parallels to ruin it. Just because they waters it down so much. Because the draw with this was the heck is going on here? Was all of the base being like no parallel sort of deal. You know what I mean? Huberto Green. That was the only rookie card, but now there's base rookies, all the parallels. And it's out of $9.99. That could be, I believe, Joseph Wall or Jason Robertson. And it's neither. It's Morgan Geekie. 55 of $9.99. At least he plays. And that is it for this box of ice. See why his stuff dropped in value a bit. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.